So what does YouTube consider valuable video content? The algorithm is always adapting to market changes, and as YouTube evolves and business objectives change, their algorithm will be adapted and tweaked to be in line with its changing goals. However, having said that, at this point, there's some key triggers that are considered valuable and tell the algorithm what to prioritize and what videos are important, and then they promote it to the right audience within their platform. In simple terms, YouTube want to attract as many people to its site as possible and keep them watching so they can serve ads and make a profit. This isn't too different from traditional TV broadcasting. Therefore, YouTube is interested in your content. If you can bring viewers to their site via your fantastic videos and keep them on the platform for as long as possible. YouTube is also interested in your content if you can build an engaged community who watch your videos and keep coming back for more. YouTube will reward you for your valuable content by prioritizing your video in their suggested and recommended rankings. They'll consider you and your channel as a valuable creator and a priority asset to their business. So it's really worth creating valuable content. The algorithm is becoming more and more sophisticated and uses Google Brain's AI technologies and machine learning techniques. And I think they'd like to get to a point where they'd like to make video suggestions to you in a way a good friend would. It's being tweaked and developed on an ongoing basis with a view to enrich the viewer's experience and keep them on the YouTube platform for as long as possible, while satisfying viewers' needs. Things have become more sophisticated in recent times. Viewers are seeing newly recommended videos in their feed and not just new videos from their subscribed channels. So there's a lot happening. And this is great progress, as it's another way that YouTube can expand organic audience reach for your videos. So with that in mind, and if you didn't get the hint already, the only thing you need to focus on is serving good quality, valuable content for your target audience. This alone will contribute hugely to your long-term, consistent organic growth and success on YouTube. I promise you that.